Hi, I'm Andrew, and this is a demo of OneSchema FileFeeds. Let's say your business needs to integrate with messy CSV files sent on a daily or weekly basis. These could be transaction files from an ERP, inventory files from a POS, or employee files from an HRIS. And you need to scale your integrations team in order to grow your business. You probably have a technical team of client service analysts or data engineers that do this process manually today, writing brittle custom scripts in Python, SQL, and this process is only getting harder to maintain as you onboard new customers. Enter OneSchema FileFeeds. With FileFeeds, we make it possible to automate 90% of the workflow for mapping, transforming, and validating CSV files received to an API, SFTP server, or email server on a recurring basis. And you can do this all without writing code. So let me show you how it works. Let's say I work in support and for an online marketplace, and I want to onboard Walmart as a customer. Walmart needs to send me a CSV of their catalog from their ERP on a daily basis to, let's say, my SFTP server. I can go ahead and take that sample file that Walmart has sent me, and I can go ahead and create a pipeline. So I'm going to create this pipeline. I'm going to call it the Walmart catalog ingest pipeline. I'm going to select what we call a template at OneSchema. This is going to be what clean data represents to you and your schema for clean data. And then I'm going to upload the starter catalog that Walmart has sent me. From here, you can see that I'm going to get dropped into the pipeline builder view. And OneSchema is going to ask me for mappings. So I can, for example, take product ID that Walmart has sent me and map it into ID. I can map product name to title, and I can map price to price amount. By setting my column names here, I can see that now OneSchema shows me a spreadsheet view with all of the errors highlighted. And just by cleaning this spreadsheet, we can record and replay the transformations to start building our pipeline. So let's say I need 0, 1, and 2 for sizes, but Walmart sends me small, medium, and large as t-shirt sizes. Just by clicking 0 here and clicking Add Action to Pipeline, you can see on the left here that the transformations are now getting saved into my pipeline, being recorded so that my integration can run smoothly, all without writing any code. So with just a few clicks, size is now clean. And here, looking at the price column now, you can see that OneSchema is flagging that the cell can only contain number values in my schema. No problem. OneSchema has out-of-the-box transformations, things like replacing values, adding and splitting columns, and also standardizing data formats. But for this case, we'll use a splitter. We're going to split on the space and then map the split columns into price, currency, and price amount. I'll click Add Action here. Once again, just by cleaning the spreadsheet, OneSchema has gone ahead and saved this. Finally, there's just one more column with errors, the price currency column here. You can see that $ is invalid. We are looking for ISO codes in our schema, but OneSchema suggests the transformations here as well. Let's say that I know that Walmart is sending me catalog items in USD. I can go ahead and add this action as well. So now I have a clean pipeline and a clean file, and now I can go ahead and connect this into my system via OneSchema's out-of-the-box connectors. You can see here that this is a file feed view. Now that OneSchema has been configured with the pipeline transformations, connecting into OneSchema can be done via, in this example, an SFTP source and destination connector, but we also support APIs and emails for receiving your files on a daily or weekly basis. In this case, this test file feed is receiving data every 24 hours. You can see that once it's been running and it has been active for a while, OneSchema also provides out-of-the-box observability for every single spreadsheet file that you've received and whether there are any errors or whether the imports were successful. Just by clicking in, you can see that, let's say, in this case, we were expecting US states, but Ontario was added as a row, and this was an error. It is very easy also for me as a support team member to actually go ahead and upload a new file here. So if I was to download this file and clean it, I could upload it back in. Or I could also upload this file directly back into the pipeline here so that I can actually go ahead and see what's wrong just by uploading the sample file and running it through. This makes it really easy for someone on the team, on the support team, to actually go ahead to not only both build and maintain all of the mappings and transformation logic inside of OneSchema. OneSchema also does come out of the box with quite a few other features, but hopefully this gives you a great overview of some of the capabilities of our system. Definitely excited to chat more if you're excited about exploring OneSchema file feeds. Thank you.